Hello, this is my English speaking practice, and I'm talking about my personal development. Today, I'm going to implement this architecture. Uh, let's begin. So, I have to change the file structures. Okay, so I ask AI to do so. Can you can you recompose the network directory? Let me before making some changes, I wanna okay. I wanted to check the current status, but uh, it's not significant changes, so I can it's okay to rewrite to be rewrited rewritten overwritten them. No, it's okay to overwrite them. So ask to do. I came up with this architecture yesterday. Let's see how it's going. Based on the here's the redesigned network directory structure. Network core events handler data UI utils. Network event coordinator. Routes game event system events to client state system. Client state system. Client state system is this. Yeah, this is. And yes. Global model handler and local model handler. Network view manager. Network view manager? What is it? Network view manager. View updates from network events. This is because client state system abstracts client state layer, client state, and it doesn't care about whether the events are from network or not. Yeah, this is core concept, so you should know it. So this is the abstraction layer for client state. So this module can take events, and it doesn't care about whether the event come from network or local. So in this module, yeah, we don't need to care about the network. It just emits event. Client state system is the key abstraction. It handles both network received events and local events uniformly. The existing display managers should subscribe to client state system, not need a separate network view manager. Yeah, exactly. So and client state system is the core abstraction, so it's like client state system mono behavior, and it has change phase and subscribe. the beauty is that display managers don't need to know if events came from network or local. Yes, client state system abstract this completely. Yes, this maintains the existing display manager code while enabling network functionality. Yes, exactly. Okay. Let's do that. Perfect. Let's start implementing this architecture. I will begin by creating the core client state system and then build out the network infrastructures. Create client state system core event abstraction for both network and local events. Okay. I just pray for coding, implementing. Client state system is created. And it has a change phase method. It can take event name and event data. And it seems to use internal subscribe. What is it? Internal subscribe is this. It takes event name and handler, and it have event handlers in the as a private field, and its type is dictionary, the key is event name, and the value is list of I event handler. So it seems to be able to store the event handler by event name. So it's like this. Okay. And when the change phase is called, it just calls internal change phases. And this is okay. I'm not sure. This is needed. Because it have an event name, so I think it just switch the process by the event name. Okay, let me see the difference. Network game event system. This is a network change phase. Network change phase. So the client state system should be anytime. So I think this is called Send command to host server. This is not good. AI doesn't understand what I'm planning correctly, so I will have to change the code by myself. Global model handler. It have authority game state. This is okay. And network command is abstract class. AI create a bunch of useless code. But about the client state system, the AI seems to understand well, so let me see the code. Hmm. Hmm. So it have two function, handle network event and handle local event, and both of them call internal change phase. So this is good. And it seems to change the existing code. That's not good. Event name. That's not good. Okay, I will implement by myself. So the concept is, let me see the, okay, I will terminate this to watch this. So network event system should in my understanding, the network behavior is, but this is needed. Network event system is used for communicating events over network, so it have event. It have event, but let me see. So it have RPC. Yeah. client RPC and server RPC. Okay. So this is used for all of events of our network, and the name is important. So let me see, but there might be reserved names, so I should care about this. It seems to be okay. So server command to host server RPC. This is the server RPC. So the destination is game event system. So the name is okay, and this is the client RPC. So the name is to client state system. Game event system to client state system to okay, I will change the name authority state system. And I don't know how to use this. How to be called. Command. I think the signature is just take command like this. But it's okay. This RPC take a serialized data and it to be deserialized and turned into phased event data. Yeah. And it called a handle network event of client state system. This is correct. And two client system. This is a client RPC. So if it is host side, this function must not be called. So in this function, it should be a same structure. This RPC is called from client to request to host side. So if is not host, just return. And and this system is authority state system and handle network event, right? Yeah. And we can this is how to use this, how this is used. That's it. Okay, so we can delete network game event system. It have authority state system and network change phase. This is this shouldn't be here because it's a game logic. So this module just so I want to rename network event system, right? Okay. So this module just provide RPC for connect to authority state system and client state system. So I want to add authority state system and awake and it have a change phase function. Okay. Okay, so authority state system is recognized. So we call this so I just implement this part and authority state system is have an internal change phase. So if it is host side, what is this? But it's okay. And authority state system is this. How to tell if the player is host or not? Is host is I see. So the network behavior can detect the host or not. So to authority state system. Okay, I understand. So the network event system should route the event because only it can know if the on the host or not. So how to do that? There are two types of two types of event, two authority state. Hmm? Hmm? I'm confused. Authority state system instance exists only on the host side. So how to receive the request from network? Oh. Mm-hmm. Authority state system. Network event system. Ideally, this function can be called from host side and client side. If this is called from host side, it just call authority state system handle network event, and when this is called from client side as RPC, this function is in the host side, so it can call this as well. But I'm not sure how to use this function, so I'm confused. But my plan is like this. So today I'm going to implement this side authority state system. Okay, maybe in the host side, we just call this function but I don't want to switch the process, switch the function to be called according to host or client. Regardless of host or client, it should call one function, only one function, and inside of this function, inside the function, it should switch the process based on host or client. So I'm not sure. And global model handler. Yeah, global model handler. So I have no idea about event handlers because it should have just a global model handler, so and global model handler is network manager. What is network manager? Authority state system is monobehavior. This is not bad, but global model handler, it shouldn't be monobehavior, just and it global model handler, okay. global model handler is like is handler manager, right? Global model handler is initialized in the authority state system. And that's it. That's it. And internal change phase. Global model handler. Global model handler. Update. The state converter. State converter to client game view. In the authority. Game state and no client state. Game state to client view. Client game view. Yeah, this is it. And player 1, player 2, and should notify them. How to notify? Authority state system is so it should know the information about player's location, players on the host or client. Okay. For now, let's assume the player 1 is on the host side. In this case, game state update received. Yes. Like this, and like this. Change face, not change face. The name is not good. Client state system. On event and network event system. I want to call this function here, right? Not bad. And based on the event and this is the core. This is core, and we don't need to subscribe. Unsubscribe and internal subscribe, internal unsubscribe, and region. So this is the core, and this is called from two function, change phase and handle network event. Okay, that makes sense. So there are two types of public function. I don't know why this is not static. Handle local event. Handle local event. Okay. AI generate a lot of unused codes, and why this is in the region. I see. Okay, I'll go with this. So the important method is update of global model handler. And in this handler, no need to access the network. So this this picture is not good. Yeah, like this. Like this. So this is my butt, and global model handler. This focuses on the update the authority game state. So the networking is うんうんうんうんうんうん OK 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 and is host うん Authority state system is initialized when it is on the host side. So accordingly, global model handler is initialized on the host side. So it's like this, and initializing. Most important. Most important function is this. Yeah, this is the single source of truth. Single source of truth. Yeah. Update. Just update. Global model does not contain a definition for update. I don't know. Okay. And client state system is here. It should have on event. On event or internal change phase. No. Handle network event. Handle local event. This is it. Why this is not good? Uh, I know. Client game view. Zero triggering event. How about this? Does not contain a constructor. That's things. Face. This is not good. Okay. I cannot remember the grammar. Is a type which is not valid in given context. How to construct the let me see the game like this. New type name and curly brace and property name equal. Okay. New curly brace. Client game view. State version update time. Okay. Okay. And E2, C2, E2. Why this is not good? Serialized data. I see. So maybe Okay, I will ask AI how to code what? What? Okay. I want to know how to use in calling the client RPC is ho. Okay, okay, okay. Serializable parameters. Practical example. Network behavior have a client RPC. So it should be called from in the same network behavior. So because it have to check if it is server. Typically, you call client RPC from within the same network behavior script. Okay. Call from another network behavior. This makes sense. Static access pattern. You can create a centralized network manager. Makes sense. I see. So the network behavior system have a one function, and if it is not server, just call server RPC and yeah. Server logic check cooldown can fire if it is can fire. I understood. So this is not public. Okay. Public on authoritative event. Authoritative event means it updates the game state. Authority state. It updates authority states, and the caller is on the host. It can it can call authority state system instance directory. The name is change phase. Yeah, change phase. But it should deserialize. Deserialize data. Why this is member cannot be accessed within an instance. This is the static. I see. And when this is called on the client side, it should Okay. So this function is the abstraction. No. I think this is the abstraction, so it should yeah, storing how to serialize event data. This makes sense. So it takes the serialized data, and if it is on the same side, it just redirect to authority state system. And if this is called on the client side, the date will be serialized and called server RPC. Server RPC is like this. And when this is called, the network transmission happens, and finally this function is called on host side, so we can access the authority state system. Right. So maybe I just call like this. Yeah. So authority state system just provide a change phase. No need to handle network event. And yeah, the only one function is yeah. Okay. This function is not static. It is okay to be static. Okay, so likewise on client event name based event data, and if is host need to serialize serialized data serialize event data and to client state system. This is the client RPC, so event name state are given. Else it just call client state system instance change phase not how to name it. Oh, change phase. The name is not good. Okay, I will change phase. Okay, right now because something wrong because on client event is within the same device, so not to use network. I see. Okay. This is used only for sync game state. I forgot this case. This is just call for update, notify the new game state. Okay. I understand. So network event system is like this. And authority state system is and I want to, this is authority game state. Expect authority game state. This returns authority game state. Okay, I can do it. And for updating, I see. So on client event, right? Should be static. No. What is the warning? Okay. Not bad. Okay, it's time to finish. Okay, tomorrow I want to run this code. So here and local model handler, client state system is like this. Okay. It's not difficult because we have implementation already. So the difference is this is the global model handler and this is the local model handler. And this is a game control flow and this is a view update. Oh, what about view update? It should be client state system. Yeah. Okay. So in this, so that tomorrow I should implement here. It take a new game state and event. Or new update from local model handler. Okay, I understand. Okay.